Hi friends, this video shows how to fix issue. Remote controller of this Google TV streamer 4K is not working. See, this is a remote controller. So first we need to check the battery. Let me open this battery cover. It's very simple. Using thumb, we just need to press here, then push this way. Press, then push. This way we can open this battery cover. So first we have to change the battery. So let me remove these batteries. Then I am going to insert new batteries. Then close this cover. Done. So here you can see one light. That means right now this remote controller is working. So this way we can replace the battery if remote controller is not working. So that way we can fix that issue. So please try this. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.